Welcome to BizFlow Tutorials video series on staff and resources. In this video, we will cover how to create and manage staff and resource groups in BizFlow. Specifically, we will explore how to organize staff and resources into groups, where and how these groups are used, how groups are displayed within the system. Log in to BizFlow. From the dashboard, navigate to Setup, Manage Users and Resources. Alternatively, you can access staff and resources via the Resource button on the top banner. Once inside, you will see your staff list. If no grouping has been set, all staff will appear ungrouped. Some existing group examples include managers and instructors. While not all staff need to be part of a group, grouping can improve display organization, particularly when using the calendar. Grouping is even more crucial for resources to streamline scheduling and bookings. For instance, if you manage multiple shooting bays, you may categorize them as follows. VIP Bay contains 3 or 4 lanes, Statesman Bay contains 4 lanes, and Tactical Bay contains multiple lanes. You may name and organize the groups as per your preference. Creating and managing groups. There are 2 primary ways to create a group in BizFlow. Method 1. Assign a group while adding a new resource. When adding a new resource, select a group from the Group drop-down menu. If the desired group does not exist, click Add New, name the group and save it. Method 2. Using the Groups tab. Navigate to the Groups tab. Create a new group here. Save the new group. Drag and drop groups to organize the order they are displayed in the calendar and in customer-facing bookings. Under Resources, Resource Management, within a group, you can further manage sequencing by dragging and dropping individual resources to adjust their order. Group booking functionality. Groups are especially useful for managing group bookings. For example, if a party wants to reserve an entire shooting bay, you can configure pricing and booking settings accordingly. Go to Setup, Manage Services. If you open a lane reservation service, you will notice under the Resource tab, typically customers can book individual lanes such as Lane 1, Lane 2, etc. Bay reservations. For group bookings, you may offer an option to reserve the entire bay, for example, Statesman Bay 4 lanes or Tactical Bay 5 lanes. Instead of allowing customers to book individual lanes, you can configure a service to enable group booking. In the Resource tab, check Allow Group Booking. Once enabled, individual lanes will no longer be available for selection. Only group bays will be bookable. Customers can now book entire bays. Go to the calendar and create a new appointment. Select the time of the appointment on the calendar, create a new appointment, select a customer, and choose a bay booking service, not an individual lane booking. Once booked, the system will automatically block all lanes within that bay. If additional customers join the party, they can be added to the booking. Remember, all customers must sign waivers before participation. Checking out a group booking. When a group appointment is created, a master appointment is generated. Any associated lanes will show up as additional resource appointments. To process payment, open the master appointment. Click Checkout. The system will process the payment for the entire bay, eliminating the need to check out each individual lane separately. Overall, groups in BizFlow are useful for calendar organization, online booking display, internal scheduling. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.